In this video, I will show you exactly how to customize and adjust the global font typography settings within your Typeform account so that your surveys always look professional and perfectly on brand. The process is actually very straightforward and only takes a few moments of your time. To get started, you first need to open your specific form inside the main Typeform editor interface. Once your project is loaded and ready, look toward the top menu bar where you will see several different options. You want to navigate directly to the Design tab. After you click on that, you should look for a button labeled Customize or sometimes Edit Theme, depending on your current layout. Clicking this will open up the Design sidebar on the right side of your screen. This is where all the visual magic happens for your form. Next, you will need to scroll through the sidebar options until you find the dedicated font section. This area allows you to control the typography for your entire project in one go. Click on the Typeface selection tool to browse through the extensive library of fonts available. Typeform offers a wide variety of styles ranging from modern sans serifs to classic serif fonts. So choose the one that best fits your brand identity. You can preview how words look in real time to make sure everything is legible for your users. Once you are completely satisfied with your new typography choice, the final and most important step is to look for the button that says Apply Changes. Make sure you click this button to save your work and update the global settings across every single question in your form. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your typography is consistent and visually appealing, which makes a huge difference in how people engage with your content. It really is that easy to give your forms a fresh and custom look.